Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commissions have recently come in. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account here. I'm going to go into my all time and show you the full stats. And as it's loading up here, Warrior Plus stats are great for really monitoring your progress. They give you some great information. I'll just scroll down here just to show you the recent results. So I'm still live in my account here. And the sales over here now are $15,521. That's the one column we're concerned with. The commissions are now in this column in the right hand side here, 7,664. And I'm going to focus a little bit later on this column here because 1,775 products have now been sold. So I want to show you a bit later on how you can promote one link and earn multiple income streams. And that's how I've achieved these results here with these products sold. So more importantly in this video, I want to show you that if you're not familiar with the Warrior Plus marketplace, it's been online since 2006. So it's now approaching, it's now into its 18th year of business. And the majority of these I'm going to show you today are autopilot buyers traffic offers. I promote these because traffic is an evergreen niche. And I always recommend to my students that you spend a percentage of your promotion promoting traffic because everyone will always need traffic. I want to show you in this video today how you can get your traffic for free with these multiple income stream products and just promoting one link and the done for you funnels within them. And I'm going to show you some proof of the high converting percentage of these products shortly in the video. If you want to go to the next level, then I want to teach you how to get into a profitable traffic proposal. And what that means in the industry, it means that when you take an affiliate offer and you promote it, you get into profit with it every single month. So then you can reinvest a percentage of those profits to buy some more traffic and scale up your business faster. So you're no longer buying traffic from, if you're like me, you've got a full-time job, then you're no longer having to buy traffic from your job income or your wages or even the savings in your bank account. And if you want to go to the next level after that, I will show you a free strategy that I personally use to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus traffic offers. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me, and we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of these offers and promote them as an affiliate. So the first thing I want to draw your attention to is the recurring income. So down the right hand side here, so we're live in the account, you'll see this little circular arrow. So this product here, the Click engine, this member has been paying every single month for 2 years. So I'm a member of each and every one of these, and I pay my monthly membership. And you do have to be a member to become an affiliate. Any of the gaps down here that you see, they're new members coming in. And you'll see here, they're quite new, 2 months, they're quite new, 17 months in a row, they're quite new. But as we scroll down, you'll see new members are coming in 11 months in a row. New members are coming in here 3 months in a row, 2 months. These are quite new, 17 months in a row. So you get lots of, this is how you build up, this is how you get into profit every single month, because each of these members are paying a monthly membership, just like I'm doing. So All of these circular arrows are all monthly recurring payments, and that's how you start to build your funded traffic proposal with these offers. Next, I want to share with you the upgrades, and so this number here, 1,775, well, you'll see here a member has joined Clix. They've joined at 17 minutes past 2, and then 5 minutes later they've upgraded to Clix triple traffic upgrade. So that's an extra $8 in commission. Now each of these, if I go into the Clix history, what you'll see here is in my Gmail account where I get my notifications. What you'll see here is that every one of these in blue is an upgrade. So very high converting upgrade. I think 1 in 3. So those two are the ones that came in this morning. I've just shown you UK time versus American time. And because 1 in 3, on average, 1 in 3 is upgrading, then you start to get into profit faster. You start to build your funded traffic proposal that I spoke about earlier. So when you see a block here of 2, 4, 6, when you see a block of 8 in November last year, then 4 members in a row all upgraded to triple traffic upgrade. So this is the key. It's finding offers, high converting offers, that are going to earn you more commissions with a done-for-you funnel where you promote one link. So on average, so a couple here, never the white ones. You'll see I'm going all the way back here now. I'm going all the way back to the summer last year. There's some real consistency with these upgrades. This is not just a fluke. This is you'll see here 2, 4, 6, 3 in a row there, 2 in a row never, 2 in a row did, 1 never, another 1 did, 2 never. So it's on average about 1 in 3 members are buying the triple traffic upgrade. So all you need in Clix is really if you've got one of these and they upgraded, you'd be in profit straight away. But you can see there the consistency. Now some other ones that I promote, this one here is Click Traffic Cyclone. This OTO here means one-time offer. This has got higher commission value in their funnel. You'll see here there's one at $46, one at $30. So these commission upgrades are higher than Clix. This has got 5 one-time offers here within the funnel. Again, just promoting one link, but you'll see the one-time offers. Anything here that says OTO with a number against it, these are all the upgrades. So again, OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 4, that's 41, 4, that's $50 there from promoting one link. So just some proof there that you can actually earn multiple income streams promoting one link and getting into profit faster. Let me show you the strategy that I personally use. So I created a video. I did call it how to get buyer traffic for free, but it's a lot more than that. And I'm going to pin this video on this page to the first comment below the video you're watching now. And I outline the 3 or 4 steps that you've got to take to duplicate the results that I'm showing you here today. It's very beginner friendly, so if you're brand new, you haven't made any money online yet, or you're struggling to earn monthly recurring commissions, you're struggling to get into profit, then it's a great strategy and a great system with some converting products and multiple income streams that you can follow step by step. My email address will also be in the description if you want to, if you need some help from me as well. So these are the 4 offers that I predominantly promote. You can click any of these and they'll open in a new tab for more information, or if you want to join them. And I'm also giving you this page that you can set up. If you want to promote your offers, all you do is join Leads Leap here for free. That's a free lifetime membership. And then all you do is copy and paste this code into Leads Leap. I've done a video there that shows you how to do it, tutorial video. And then this complete page will duplicate and be yours. The videos will stay on there for credibility, and all you've got to do is put your affiliate links into these buttons here, and I do show you in the video how to do that. Again, it's really beginner friendly. It's just copy and paste in a few clicks. And also with Leads Leap, put your affiliate link in there, and if you decide to promote the page and anybody joins Leads Leap, you can earn monthly recurring commissions even as a free member. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So I'm currently doing a video every day, or most days, and I've got over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content in this video, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer your questions. My email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email, and all the joining links or for more information will also be in the description as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.